San Diego Zoo. On the burro.
Gotta work harder.
Just trying to knock the hay out the sack.
Have you ever seen
This one? this is not a camel.
I didn't know this was a camel.
Right here, look. Chat, found your siblings. Little monkeys eating. Look, that one has a baby in the back. Here comes the mom with the baby.
Oh, look, one riding his back.
That's super cool.
In this area, I guess there's like a little water park too for the kids. There's a turtle, chat. Turtle in the water. Right here. Another one over there. There we got a rattlesnake. Oh damn, it's moving. Here's the cobra. Oh,
He's throwing it. What does it do?
Exfoliating.
Salt.
hidden. Tortoise, not in the water. It's not a turtle. Check, there's an old copy over there. I don't know if y'all can see it in the trees. There he goes walking. I don't know if y'all can see, but in that bay, there's a baby one. Oh, you can't see it. Mom protecting it. This one's posing for everyone's pictures. Focus. Right there. Looks like a baby pup. We found even bigger tortoises, chat. This one just looks plumped down, like it's done for the day. Oh, that one too. Damn, that one looks exhausted. Like. Check, here I got my brother's Sunday routine right here, just chilling. There's another one over there, just hanging around. Check, we got the needle-nosed gators. And I got the turtles down there eating lettuce. Is the elefante in the shade? Oh, here comes another one. Right here. Gonna play with the ball? They just came from the water. What? Oh, I didn't even look at that. I can see it from here. We found the big ones, big tortoise, big masa right there. This only goes. And look at all these fish legs too. Two over there.
That's a hippopotamus. There's
We got the elefantes. There's another one, chat, segregated in the shade. Like this. Got the camel. So there's a donkey here. Burrito.
Karen.
This is Karen.
It's not asking what's in the bag. Oh, look.
She's getting her lips ready for the lips.
Lions out here with the tongue out. The male and the female. Check, we got the koalas, but they're all slumped. It's right here if y'all can't see. Sleeping like a toddler. Just making a beat, chat. Oh, it's like the dog. I could probably put treats in there. The giraffe in the background just chilling in the shade while these are eating over there. Alright, shall we find the big ones? Big tortoise. Big masa right there. This one goes. Oh, that's the mom with the baby. There goes the baby going up. Oh, is he gonna swing? Oh! Y'all guessed it, more monkeys, baboons. Here we got a fluffy cow, camel, llama. Llama, red pajama. This one's white. Fluffy cow white. Try to get close, chat, real quick.
Plastic on wood.
The panda chat is slumped. Everyone's slumped today. The panda's just scratching chat. You guys want to roll over? Found another panda. There's a panda eating.
Thanks, Chef.
It's munching.